You're doing such a good job, Mommy. So, no, you got to do that yourself. I'm so proud of you.
Well, it is kind of tight, so.
Then go to the next one. Go to that one. Is that one tight?
No.
I'm very proud of you, John. By the time you're
Do
five,
this one, do
by the
it.
time you're
Yep,
five,
just
you'll
like
be
this.
able to
Turn it.
replace a motor in the car.
You okay, bud? Are you getting it? Let me know if you need Daddy to help.
I'm done.
Do you need Daddy to help?
Yes, this one's right, not right.
Okay. Is it getting too tight? Here, you try tightening that one down a little bit for me, will you?
Can I do it?
I want you to try first. This one.
Can I tighten this one?
Yeah, you can try tightening that again. Good job, big buddy. Okay, tighten the next one a little bit, and then if you need help, Daddy will take over, okay?
I need help. Still.
Okay.